Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Sorry that I came late today. I just want to respond to some of the videos from DOS agents. We all know what they want. We know what's the tactics and the achievement they think they have made so far. It's not about bashing anybody or trying to make things look nice without saying the truth. The major thing is saying the truth, say it the way it is, and avoid propaganda because most of our Igbo brothers are involved. Even if you want to criticize anybody, you have to do it, the way it's supposed to be. There's some videos that I don't want to share with us, but I have to respond to what the franchise said and what the video that he made on his X handle. Sometimes we need to say it the way it is. We don't need to pretend for anything. There's no need, pretending to be what you are not. First of all, I would like to play the video before I say anything. Let me just hear this because it is very, very important. Just hear this.
All right, wonderful people. I want you all to pay attention to this video that I'm showing next to my video right now.
I don't know if it's coming out or not, but let me.
This is the criminality we are talking about in Biafra. Some people are just going out there committing, burning people's houses. And this evil act was carried by Gentle Yahoo, the person that you are seeing in this picture. Also writes,
what he's trying to say here, in case I don't know if the audio is okay, but let me just explain what he said so far. He is trying to tell you that there's a place the Nigerian army set ablaze in Imo State. They burned that marketplace down today. And what this guy did is to come online, start mentioning that Gentle and his group burned that place down. That is not Nigerian army, trying to defend who did it and who did not, saying that he concluded, according to him, his own investigation says that it was done by Gentle Yahoo and his group. But there's something very, very interesting about this. When you want to blackmail somebody, when you want to criticize somebody or want to say that somebody did something, whether it's propaganda or not, make sure you have your information to back it up. You don't just say something because you have mouth or you have opportunity to have platform to say anything, then you go out there and say it the way you think that it should be. Sometimes you need to use your brain to know what you are saying, the impact of that thing you are saying, what it means. He said that place that been burned down in Biafra land is done by Gentle Yahoo, that they are the one destroying economy, destroying people's property, destroying everything just to paint um, Nigerian army or Nigerian security agencies bad and all that. But the information, what actually happened is not what he's saying here. So I just want you to understand that sometimes it is good for you to say something, but make sure that what you are saying is in line with the actual facts. Don't bring sentiment to that. It may not go down well. It may not go that way. Please, if you join me in this live, I would like you to hit the like button. Just hit the like button, comment, and tell me what you think about the video as we are going on. Let me play it again. Let me play it again so that maybe the audio will be more loud at the moment. Let me see.
What really happened in this video that you are seeing, they were destroying.
So that the video you are seeing here is where they destroy people's property.
People. Now, and they also kidnapped a man called Alexander C. Okoye.
That they also kidnap a man they call Alexander C. Okoye. So what he's trying to say is that Gentle Yahoo and Biafra Liberation Army went to that place and burned that market down and kidnapped people. That's what this guy is saying. Biafran child, he's saying it on his video. It's not even a post. So what he's trying to say here is to defend uh, Biafran Nigerian army, saying that who did that, who burned people's market and all that is being done by uh, Biafran government in exile, Biafran Liberation Army and all that. So I would like you to listen to a video. That's what I'm looking for at the moment, for you to hear what what actually happened from the people that was there live. So you will know what actually happened. Remember, this gentle Yahoo that he's talking about now is still the same person. Gentle Yahoo is still the same person. A few weeks ago, they told you that Gentle is no more, that he had a conflict within themselves in their camp, and they born. I think someone shot him, and he's no more. They buy him. That Gentle is no more. These are the same group of people who told you a few weeks ago that Gentle is no more, that somebody buy Gentle. He's now telling, is the same person coming on the line on this video, to tell you that people who burned that place down is Gentle and his group. So I don't know how you can reconcile that. That after telling us that Gentle is no more, that Gentle, they buy Gentle, they did, and the same Gentle that you say they buy is here, is the same person you are telling us now that is burning market down and all that. He said a lot of nonsense in this video. Unfortunately, the audio is not loud enough for me to play it direct, although I will still try again for you to hear. But all I'm trying to say here is you cannot use everything to do blackmail. It doesn't work that way. Sometimes you need to use your brain to know what you are saying, if it is actually making any sense. If it's actually making any sense to anybody, because you cannot come online and start telling people that Gentle did this, Gentle did that, because he single-handedly picked Gentle. That Gentle is the one who bring people to that place, to buy people. That is the point. Why are they pushing with that negative information, knowing fully well that it's not true? Knowing fully well that it's not true, that what they're saying is not true. Why are they pushing that kind of information out there? He is saying this on a live video, that Gentle went to a place where they have that business, people are selling something and buy people and burn shop down and do this and do that. Now let me continue playing it, but I will bring you the authentic information about what happened that place from people on ground. Just wait. When I say people on ground, I'm not saying about liberation, and I'm talking about the people who live in the community.
And they are keep on, extorting money from the family of these people. They 4 years, this old man, they kidnapped him. And what really happened, and the pictures that you people are also to see on this video now is the picture of their camp, where they call Eba Ora. That is where their camp is.
Now, let me say something here. This guy is telling you where the Biafran Liberation Army have their camp. Publicly, he's saying it out. Remember, this is exactly what they did during the time of ESN that formed by Mas Namadu Kanu. They started mentioning calling out camp. They are good in calling out people's camp, where people are. How many video of this guy have you seen where he's calling out where Fulani herdsmen are in different land buying people? You can't hear such thing from them. You can't hear anything from them. I'm not here to defend anybody. I'm not defending different government in Israel. I'm not defending different liberation. I mean, what I'm doing here is to tell you to use your brain. Because common people, ordinary people who is not DOS, you are not different liberation, you are not in different government in exile, you are not even in BLA, you are not in any group, you are just an Igbo person who is doing your day-to-day business in Igbo land. And these things these people are doing, DOS are saying, and the agents are affecting you. Because if you listen and follow this kind of information, you will think that they are the right people, they are the right channel doing, trying to protect you from invaders, which is Fulani herdsmen. But you need to use your brain. There's a reason why God give everybody brain, mind, and reasoning, so that you can be able to dictate to yourself. Dictate things for yourself. Don't always rely on what somebody say. Go out and do your own research and find out what is going on. There's a place in Imo State that was being burned down by army. Okay, and this guy pick out that video, attach it with Gentle's picture, saying that Gentle and people went there to buy people and burn people's business down after engaging Nigerian army. According to him, the Nigerian army pushed them out, and after pushing them away, the only thing they could do is to go to the people's villages and start disturbing them and buying them and burning business down. Now, according to him, they kidnap somebody, they take away somebody and run away and all that, which there is no evidence to that. Okay, so what he's saying now, what he's trying to tell you, that they are not doing anything, that the African government are just noisemakers, according to him, that they can't do anything, they can't face anybody, they can't do anything, they can't protect you. Then few weeks ago, I just want to record this information for you so that you will know where I'm coming from. Few weeks ago, this same guy was busy, and this guy and his group was busy telling you that Gentle is no more. Remember, Emeka posted it. That's, you know, there's one story that he just wrote down and tagged, saying that Gentle is no more, that they have buy Gentle. And he is telling you, he is now telling you today, 28th of January 2024, after telling you that Gentle is no more, that they have intel, they have information, they have information about what is going on in BLA camp, the Biafran Liberation Army camp, that Gentle is no more, they have buy Gentle. They have an argument among themselves and they buy Gentle. That was information flying on internet 3 days ago. I think, if I'm not, I don't want to lie, I think 1 week or 2 weeks now. Now, today, he's not telling that the market that was burned down is being done by Gentle. That Gentle that they told you that they have been buy is the one now lead people to buy, to destroy people's business. Does it make sense to you? Now, he went on and said this. Just here.
In Imo State, after they kidnapped this man,
That after they kidnapped the man,
of course, these people, sometimes when I'm telling you people, these people, they are on the run. They are on the run. And they are dealing with them front and back with fire and force. Everybody are against these people. The vigilantes are against them.
okay, that everybody is against BLA, that Biafran Liberation Army. That vigilantes are against them. Let me not talk, just hear from him.
Even though the armies are against them.
Now, this is where I want him to land. That vigilante, everybody, first of all, everybody is against them. Armies are against them. Vigilantes are against them. Okay? Now, who's in support of them? Nobody. Fine. The question is, why are you now talking about who is against them and who is not against them if you are not interested about them? So why are you worried about someone who doesn't make any value, who doesn't have it? This is how they started with Simon Ekpa. Remember, they told you Simon Ekpa, nobody is in support of him. He's just buying followers. There was a time they said he was buying followers on YouTube. Before YouTube shut PM down, they were telling you that he was buying followers. He don't have nobody on ground, nobody. He have nothing to offer. So this is the same. They keep on recycling information. They keep on recycling information, saying the same thing over and over and over and over. And then to me, it doesn't make any sense. If you want to lie, construct a better lie, good one, and put it out there. This one you are saying it makes you look like a stupid and a foolish person. Now, army is against them. And the same you say that army, they are working with army, they are working for Nigeria. So they are working for Nigeria. Samanekpa is working for Nigeria, and he has an army who is working against Nigeria. And at the same time, that army that is working that don't like them is taking information from them. Remember, they told you don't register, don't vote, because your data and information that you give while voting, that Samanekpa and the different government will give it to the Nigerian government. And now he's here telling you that army is against them. So I just want you to understand what is going on here, because we need to. It is time for us to start using our brain. Ike also, thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Please like the video. If you can share, please help me share. Let's listen to him again.
Even though
Even though Nigerians themselves is against them. So
the Nigerian securities are also against them.
Nigerian security is against them.
People have begun to understand that these people are just criminals.
That our people have come to understand that they're just criminals. And people have understood that they are criminals according to him, and you are not criminal. Remember, that is the tactics. Always telling you that they are criminals, you are criminals, you are this, you are berima. Now listen.
They are not fighting what they think, or some people thought that they are fighting. These people are just criminals, just born criminals, just to kidnap people and begin to ask for ransom, just to snatch people's car.
Okay, speaking of kidnapping and snatching of something, last year there was a guy that were caught, Nigerian security agents caught, and while interviewing the person, the person says that he is working, that who sent him was Chinasa Aworu, and Chinasa Aworu is working with who? With this guy, Biafran child. With this guy, Biafran child. So when you hear them talk, the only thing you comes in mind is previous things they have said before. Remember what they said before. So they always keep on having this information. My brother, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. They always have the same information over and over again, telling you to believe them, doing everything for you to believe them and stop believing other people. Do you know the number of times they call the Samonekpa criminal? You're welcome, you're welcome.
Good
You're
evening.
welcome. Good evening, you're welcome. I will come back to you. Let me land. So do you know
Okay.
how many times they have called Samonekpa criminal? The number of criminality that comes out from them is beyond the imagination. Everything is criminal. The only thing they can offer is this criminality of a thing. So I cannot keep silent watching people brainwash the whole nation. Even I'm not saying this for you to like anybody. I'm not telling you to like someone else or like different government in Israel, like anybody. No. What I'm telling you, for me, these people are, when a criminal start calling you a criminal, is like, well, the only thing you will do is start laughing, because even everybody can see what they have done. This person talking here, because they have one thing they don't have is shame. If you have shame, you see your colleague jumping from DOS to Nigerian politics. You didn't make any video to call him a criminal. No. The only criminal coming out from your mouth is now PM and Biafran Liberation Army. And you are telling us that no, they are receiving it heat, they are receiving it hot, they are doing this, they are doing that. So what you have to understand is that they also know that the only hope they themselves have, their own security. You cannot make sense about this. DOS. Okay, let me carry report. You cannot make sense about this DOS. Let them talk about their political solution. Ikenga is none. My brother, no, I know I'm not trying to make any sense to anybody. Because the reason why I'm making this video is this. One thing we need to understand is that you know that you yourself, happy woman, that you yourself know the truth and you know what you believe on, does not mean that everybody know the truth. Some people don't have data to watch on YouTube. Some people don't have data to go on Facebook. What DOS on ground in Nigeria, what they will tell them on the street is what many people will run with. They will believe that in. So it is always good for you to debunk. Just imagine this. This guy today posted a video telling you that Gentle went to a place in Imo State and burned that market and shop, that he went there with his group to burn those things because after engaging Nigerian army, they couldn't stand Nigerian army and they run away and went to villages and started destroying people's property. Just to tell you that the army did that is a way this guy trying to reverse the information in favor of Nigerian army against his own people. Do you understand that? So that kind of information is not something that you just kept quiet and say no, they don't make sense. No, some people will believe this thing that he's saying. And a few weeks ago, he was busy online telling you that Gentle is no more, that by Gentle. And today he's now telling that Gentle lead a gang to burn somewhere. Does it make any sense to you? How can you tell me that Gentle is no more, that they're quite gentle? And if you say Gentle is alive, let him come out and do video. They are doing that to get information where that video was being shot. They will not send people there to attack that city, that place. When Gentle did not make any video and kept quiet, he's not telling you. He forgot what he said a few weeks ago. Even in Emeka's gift post in platform, that thing is still there. That Gentle is no more. Now he's telling you that Gentle went somewhere. Gentle went somewhere, in Imo State to burn market and burn this and destroy this. It doesn't make any sense to me. How can you tell me that? And he's here telling you that he brought a picture of where they put machete and cutlass, and put it together with a Biafran car. He designed it on Carnival, and he posted, attached it to this video, saying that look at their materials. The army took this thing from them. Just last year, a guy was being caught and they asked him, who sent you to do kidnapping and all these things you are doing, these criminal activities that you are doing? He said that it's Chinasa Woru. The video is in public. So how many of those people have you seen? That's one thing they have not succeeded in doing. Coming out to tell you that, yes, so Simon Ekpa did it. They can even recruit someone and pay the person to come and say that. Don't be surprised in few weeks from now, you see somebody with the uniform that I am a Biafran liberation. I am working with Biafran Liberation Army. Yes, Simon Ekpa sent us to kidnap people. He sent us to burn this. That is another propaganda that will soon come. So it is you who will resist this kind of nonsense. Do you understand? It is you who will resist that kind of nonsense. My brother, I will give you time to say something. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. I don't even know that you will be free today.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I get the viewers. Uh, like we, what you just said now make me laugh sometimes. These US of 18s, they always come whenever our PM want to take a strong step for the freedom. That's where they come in.
Exactly.
After the
Exactly.
strong speech of our PM, they'll go defend again. I get me. For example, now during the time of Anambra election, I will start for day one when they kidnap our leader. During Anambra election, our parents were
Yes.
that the one that first of all said that sit at home, first come out from the mouth of the US. I get it. People don't know
Yes.
about it. They don't have been the word sit at home to the public. Our PM is after to support any team or any organization or any group that want the freedom. You don't want to know who you are, so far you want the freedom, he will support you. When they bring the word called sit at home, our PM back them with his full chest. You understand me? Because despite that, they kick him out of the struggle. Despite that, they kick him out of the other Biafra. But instead back them for the sit at home they bring. Because what he wants is that the freedom of our leader and how Biafra will move forward. Now they betrayed the sit at home, they betrayed Biafra, went back and took money from the federal government or Soludo in the name of political solution. Up to date, we have not heard anything about the political solution. Up to date. You get me? Now, the second
No,
allegation that
we have heard something about political solution. No, don't say that there's something. There's something. We have heard that the Ken is not.
he's not a politician now.
That is the outcome of. And you see, when they said underground war, some of
Mm,
us we misunderstood the whole thing. Just like when Nigerian government said that they're bringing change, when Buhari said that he's bringing change to Nigeria, everybody misunderstood that change, and now they say they want political solution. The political solution is to recruit them, transform them to become like politicians, and that is what politicians, they don't normally criticize their own fellow politicians until that
yeah.
politician step on his toes. Like this guy now, imagine which of these things is breaking news, that a place in Imo State is being burned down, okay, and you are accusing other people that they are responsible instead of the people who did that and who actually did it. And this is not the first time Nigerian army have done this, they have done it many times, okay. Now, is this supposed to be the headline in this guy's platform, or he came one of their own key member abandoning them to join politicians?
Now, for example, now in this world now, the main thing that's supposed to be a topic is that Ikenga is in two-side game. Is claiming Biafra IPOB Nigeria leader. I get me. Is claiming a
Yes.
politics. I get me. That is two-side game. Now, they supposed to be desperate. The POS I call them supposed to be desperate of Ikenga becoming a politician because you cannot put a Nigerian politician into your means. Despite that, putting a Nigerian politician into your means, the secret will leak. Are you getting me? Because what I think is that as a organization of a or organization or a group of people, they must have an oath that will guide it. Are you getting me? They must have an oath that will
Yeah.
guide it. Now, it can't gonna have a confidence, a code of conduct that guide the leadership of IPOB. Are you getting me? Because if you want to be a freedom fighter, you stand for one place. You understand me? Let the freedom be your freedom. Let your goal be your goal. No, you can't ever go and cannot be claiming Nigeria politics and still be claiming IPOB leader at the same time. I get it. That is he's putting his two hands or head in in different basket at the same time. Now the leader. Hmm?
Ikenga where you are talking about is not
Hmm.
only just claiming to be IPOB and politicians, but the problem is that these people also have this spirit of Nigerian politician in them. All these DOS, they have it, favoritism.
Yes.
Once you commit one sin, you commit if you commit if you commit a foul now, maybe you commit one sin, they will not punish you the same measure they will use to punish another person. Remember, many genuine people, innocent people, were being kicked out from that IPOB because of Ikenga.
Yeah.
Just for them to insult Ikenga, they kick them out. Whereas Ikenga, through master prophet, said that Ikenga called Master family names, saying that Master that their compound is Eba na Tomowa, Eba na Ba. What you understand? Trying to disgrace the entire family. There is no time this Ikenga believe on Master. That's just a fact. There is
The,
no time.
the,
Just like this
the,
Biafran child also.
Yeah, the issue is that the leaders of IPOB now, let me say it to the leaders of that DOS or POS or they have changed name. You know that they have changed name. They're not using IPOB. They're using what they call it. I posted in my platform on Facebook. They changed name
Yeah,
today.
I saw it. Something grand, is it Grand Petrus or something like that?
Yes, that is the name they change. Now, those people now they will not go after a Kenga becoming a politician. They will only go after the market that born to put it in some area. I get it because why they will not go after a Kenga is that a Kenga is a boy. Kenga know the game they're playing. I get me. A thief cannot call a thief a thief. I get me. Have it in mind. A thief cannot call a
because
thief a thief.
because all of them are waiting for their own transformation to
Change the
move
game.
to for this guy now. Okay, for him now to start protecting the Nigerian army against the Biafran Liberation Army. He said that those people, I thought they said they have power. Why are they now running? Because he saw post of PM where one Nigerian army was saying, where are there, come. And that place, if you look, you find that place is a residential place. Do you understand? That place is a residential place. So most of them don't understand what is guerrilla warfare. that you mount army mount a checkpoint and thinking that they can do this and do that. What about other ones that have been there? What happened to them? Once they see the activities of the result of those days, they don't want to talk about it. They focus on when they think that Biafran Liberation Army couldn't engage them the way they expect them to engage them. So they will focus on that one. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is that you cannot explain or lecture people on what you don't know. It is only when you have a clue and or idea of what is trending, what is happening, then only you can now say, okay, I can say this and say this about what happened. So for him now to stay, the one that baffles me is tagging it at tagging the whole activities on
Yeah.
this guy on Gentle, saying that Gentle is the one that lead the group, as if you were there. Now I have this video to play because I won't play everything that this guy was saying. Just yapping nonsense. I want you to understand, to just pay attention to this video because this is what actually happened in that place where this guy is turning the story upside down. What happened in that place is what I want to bring for you now, because somebody who is living in that village made a video, and this is what the guy said. I think, let's see.
Amam is on fire. Then I have a good fear. You Amam Putrillo, dear. Away, Kefron. Away, Kefron. I feel him, Madame. There might have been more. Anaba. Hala Salabi. Yeah, I'm up to the year. I'm a chop from. Yanda bila tuje bon ibo no pa ile then shop on them look at what is the other side bien tu yo kunda ke let me here. This is shop my sister shop ile dey about bro then everything then everywhere then
You can hear it, right?
look at watch on here now. Come kuzimu here na amam. Here amam. Wale me. Then yeah. Tell me what to do. Kinya imre. Kinya imre. Kinya imre. Kinya imre. Kinya imre. Then everywhere. I live in wine. My reba. Everything. Akas.
Okay. Now the writer says Nigerian Ndogbu Madami on rampage in Biafran land. They continue to burn innocent Biafran homes and business. Many Biafran mothers and children are homeless right now. This is what this guy twisted that is being done by Gentle. You can see the news now. This is
Yeah.
what somebody, that the same video is what Biafran Child is analyzing on his page, saying that what happened there is that after engaging with Nigerian army, they couldn't push Nigerian army. They now run to villages and start burning business and shops, just trying to change the narrative to debunk the fact that all the businesses that have been burning in Nigeria, in Biafran land, and all the shops and houses that they're burning down is being done by Biafran Liberation Army, not Nigerian army. For people to start hating them. And all this hatred, a few weeks ago, I made a video saying that they have stopped attacking PM and others. The truth of the matter is that they stopped believing that they want to come back. They want to come back. Then PM now refuse to give them that chance. You understand? Because PM know the agenda. The agenda is to capture the information and to know the details and the operation of Biafran government in Israel. Then they can now start using it because there has never been a time where these people want to do anything. serious for Biafrans. So this video that I just played now is actually the real video of what happened that place, and it has something to do with Biafran Liberation Army. You want to say
Okay,
something?
thank you. Yeah, thank you. The video you played, I have the video. I have listened to the video. At the end of the video, the man called Nigeria Army in the video. If you listen to it well, at the end
Yes,
of the
yes.
video, Nigeria Army in the video. Now, the Biafra child of 18 is that when they call someone is illiterate, you know me that you not go to school, you don't know how to read and write. I get me. The guy don't have anything on his score. You understand? You are living in Germany. You are comfortable where you are living in Germany. I get me. Your people back home are suffering. You saw the information. So it's not a record information, a video information you saw. The guy that provide the video to the world called Nigeria Army there. He never for one day
That
called Biafra Liberation
sorry,
Army
sorry to
or
cut you
Junto.
off. Sorry to cut you off. That guy, if you listen to that video, that guy said that this is shop of my sister,
Yes.
meaning meaning that the guy is not a journalist, so that he's not blocking any information for people to say, okay, that this also media house said this. No, he's not protecting anybody. He's saying the wrong, and he did not make that video to blackmail anybody. He's just saying what happened that place. Do you
The
understand?
first hand information is that is
First hand
called they call
information.
first hand information, the direct source, not no, not for any news media. I get me. First hand
Yeah.
information say this is show of my sister 1 point 2 point. This
I
is
have a Biafra. Thank you. I have a Biafra. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, happy
this is
first of February is loading, of course. Is loading. Continue, my brother.
you understand? Say this is shop of my sister. First 1 point. This Nigeria army 2 points. I get him in everything. You crash a point there. Now, where the Befa child got us this information. This Befa child is an illiterate. I have encounter with him in my Facebook, personal Facebook. He blocked me. I get me. He blocked me in his page. Last year, we have this was encounter in Facebook. Because I don't like chatting, or I don't like commenting someone videos. I may like, if I like, I may share if I want. But you understand me? But in draw my attentions, I gave him some fact and figures with screenshots things on page. He blocked me. I do it again, block me. You understand me? I chat in private again. Give him fact, he blocked me again. I said, you are too small. Why are you hiding away from the truth? Are you getting me? Why are you hiding away from the truth? You say you're a mature man. You are living in Germany. Germany is one of the first class countries in the world. Are you getting me? What is your benefit in Germany to your people back home? Okay. You cannot give a report to your followers. Now you're deceiving thousands of followers that is following that Biafra liberation are behind anything that is going on in Biafra
Just,
land. Now
just imagine that, my brother. Just imagine
Now,
that.
this their stupid guy called Emeka Gift or family writer them. You understand me? They will see this information, that they will hijack it for better child without verifying the informations, without going to the videos. Well, this video is in public. Before any media, that is why Nigerian media don't carry the media of activities going on in Biafra land. Because you cannot, if you carry the activities of the information going on in Biafra land, first you will first carry this guy video, because it's first hand in video that show the world that Nigeria army played the genocide there. Are you getting me? Now,
Yeah.
this America give better child now say that gentle is there, is Kweme. Are you getting me? Well, this guy I followed on Facebook, Cave. Now, Simon, he used to put sometimes he put gentle pictures on his comment, on his write up. So say, let him do live video, let him do live video, let him do live video if he's still alive. I get me. Now, people are saying is Kweme accepted, not accepted, because no evidence. Have it in mind, if Nigeria government have any top Biafra commander at their hand, they will publish it. They will not hide it. They will publish it. Are you getting me? When they have our
They
leader on their hand, they publish it. Are you getting me?
yeah.
You tell me now, who is gentle that they will have not publish it? Is gentle up to the console that they publish? Are you getting? They publish it in console for all to shout about it. Are you getting me? Why are they hiding gentle, or if he's still alive? If it's Kweme, are you getting me? They are just beating around the bush. See, the only thing they are doing, they want to cause havoc before the February 1st, so that they will hold PM accountable. That's their mission now. Forget that PM now is just like President Tinubu. You understand me? They don't know about it. Let them go and study and Google what they call PM and Biafra and the Prime Minister. They go and study the meaning of that and what they call Biafra government in exile. This is the thing they need to study as a freedom fighter. You cannot just come out and bring microphone and bring camera and start making mad that you're a freedom fighter without doing your research. You understand me? They don't know your research. PM is not appointed; it's elected. Anybody that is elected, be you a councillor or a chairman, cannot be impeached with any way. You must go a due process. Now they are causing havoc. Anytime PM want to take a strong step, they will be havoc, they will be confusion to draw him back. Forget that we have passed this era. This era we have passed it. Okay. I saw what happened during the election time. These two people are called politicians. Ikenga. Ikenga have two Facebook, two account or three account. One Biafra, two P2B, one a label. That's what he have. I get me in his page. I followed him. It's not hidden. You have it. Okay, this guy that have this agenda now, politics agenda. You that people that call yourself a freedom fighter, that want to give up the freedom. You are still putting in your caucus meeting. What is your agenda for the freedom? Are you getting me? Have you ever see our PM or our leader, Mazina Kanu, doing caucus meet with a governor or minister? Are you getting me? No. What they leave a Kenga is that the agenda of a Kenga is the agenda of China Saworum and Chico Edozie. They have one agendas. I get him. They have one agenda. I think last year China Saworum entered Nigeria with a security. You understand me? He went back again. How can you be a freedom fighter? You come a country that you are suppressing, some country that don't divide. You come there, they will give their own security to guide you again. After you still go back again, see a freedom fighter. Let them stop beating around the bush. The trend have left them. Now we're about to vote. For them to be campaigning for the
My major concern is not about whether they join or not. My major concern is that our ordinary people who don't know what listening to this kind of guy will still change, because those ones are gone. They are goners to me. I don't count them as anything valuable at all. They are not. They don't even know. They are just like Femi Fanekayode.
FFK.
So yeah, there's no difference between Femi Fanekayode with these US people. So once you wave money in their face, they'll follow you. So anyone can buy them anytime. If I want to bring them to Biafra, I will look for money. So I will just wave money in Biafra and tell them, join, come. They will follow. Like this guy now, if you place call on this guy now, if you promise him now $10,000 now, he will delete everything on his page and start shouting, telling you about Biafra, telling you how Shamalapa have been working very nice. I know these people are just wave money in their face. But for you to allow them, they can't use brain or use their conscience to do anything meaningful. No, the only thing they work for is money. So if your money is so I don't want to waste my time on that. The reason why I'm calling him out or making video about reacting on his video is for people who may not know that antecedents of these people, what they have done in the past and what they're known for. So for you to start knowing them now, that's the only thing. If not, I don't need to pay attention whatever he's saying, because he's no. Now let's check what Biafran said on his post, because after making this video, I did not play the video to the end because he just making, there's this propaganda that doesn't, unhealthy propaganda that that it can't yield any meaningful thing. So it's a waste of time. I don't want to wait, prolong the video because of that kind of video. I picked the point where I want to write and I have done the justice. The on comment section, Chuk said, Biafrans, everyone can see that this criminal called the Biafran child working for the terrorist government of Nigeria. He has come here to exonerate and defend the Nigerian army from all they did to Biafra, even as a video evidence of the Nigerian army doing it everywhere. So what is different from what I've said with this, what did you say here? If you are seeing the video that is coming out from Igbo land, you understand? That's one thing that the US don't understand. They're kind of they're this kind of people that something that everybody can see. They will come out shamelessly and start talking otherwise, trying to defend that. Just like now, we know that Tinubu is old. we everybody knows that Tinubu is an old man. It is a known fact. These people will come out and start telling how Tinubu is very, very young, that you should believe on him, that is very even he's even young at heart. Imagine that. So something that is very obvious or prophetess, you don't even need to go to Dibia to see that this thing is like this. They are busy. They put on camera, face camera, and start trying to convince you of something that you already know. So you that if anyone who does that, you are fooling yourself because people will see you as a fool. So what this guy said is just what I said. That if you listen to the video, it's just that he want to defend Nigerian army because he want to cross over like he can Guru Agu. So the best thing you have to do, always use your platform to say something good about us, so that we welcome. You see the respect that we pay Iken Guru Agu when he come to Nigeria. They can join anything you want to join, but fooling people who don't know about you is what I will not encourage. Now another person said, even self, they are now into personal hustling, personal thief. Biafran worldwide, beware of Grand Biafran Petros. That is the name of that paper they have opened. I'm a lawful that paper and for donation. And another thing, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me? I think your network is freezing or something like
Hello?
that. It's frozen for me. So another thing that I noticed is that they are pushing this agenda for them to see if they can groom other people to start donating money to their paper account, because that is another thing they have been waiting for, to make money for nothing. So I don't know if you have noticed that. Hello? Hello? Okay. My brother's network is giving you a headache. Okay, another comment says the moment you started defending zoo terrorist army, you are an accomplice, which is true. You are asking for fundraising right now, right? What are you using it for? This one said your fake ESM cannot fight them. Only Mumu will listen to you. I tire. But you said before that Commander Gentry is dead.
Okay.
So this is the best of. You see, when I watch that video, that is my first comment. I have not read this comment at all. This is my first time of going through this comment. So this,
Okay.
but you said that Gentle is dead. I think somebody comment on that post. Let me see. Someone comment on that post as well. Let me see. Let me see if I can open it here. Because that is what I was saying. How can you tell me, okay, this one says GOS criminal no get work. Help me ask that to cook. I wonder. So these people were responding to him after saying that Gentle is no more, and they have fired Gentle. And today they are telling us that Gentle and the people went there to burn, for you to see how shallow mind they can be. Very, very shallow in thinking. So what do you have to say, my brother? I think we have done justice to the video.
The issue is that the handwriting is on the wall. Are you getting me? Biafrans
Yes.
have know who is right, who is fighting for the freedom, and who is not fighting for the freedom. I get me. We have know who have put Biafra in the world today. For example, we have know the achievement of our PM just 2 years. They call it 2 years, and you know some is bigger than those that call themselves DOS. That they say they are the oath that they took oath. They do that. They do this. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
You cannot compare that of PM with their activities. Now, Pierre put the word is say where is the roadmap. You have been the roadmap to Biafrans. For them to join hand or for them to stay and watch the roadmap, they are here closing the roadmap. They don't know what it takes to bring a roadmap or what it takes to be a state or or to be a to be to bring a government in exile. They don't know all those things is a roadmap. Like for example, don't Nadi say that where is the map, the bandit of Biafra. PN have been the bandit of Biafra to all these people to the table. It's official for them to flow them, for them to campaign. Okay, if you're a freedom fighter, what will you gain to stop the freedom of your nation that you are fighting for? I get me because every freedom fighter goal is to actualize the freedom he or she is fighting for. Despite whosoever is bringing the freedom. Like now, for example, now the biggest achievement of a freedom is that once we actualize Biafra, have it in mind, automatically our leader will be out from detention automatically because that is called the word called freedom. And all Biafras in detention in hostage will be released automatically. That's what they call freedom. That is why
Yes.
every freedom fight their mission is the freedom. They don't want to care who bring the freedom. So far they have actualized the freedom they are fighting for. The heart and the mind will be at rest. Now, why are they fighting against the PM for not actualizing the freedom? They don't want the PM to actualize the freedom. So that once he actualizes the freedom, even though it's today or tomorrow, our leader is coming out today or tomorrow. You understand me? It's not going to any court or anything because the main aim of our PM is the release of our leader. You understand me? But all these people that are spoiling or scattering the root of our PN not to actualize the freedom. Because that this is the stage of getting the freedom. Now, for them to be campaigning or for them to be talking about how to do the election just from highest a week, next week, am I right? The election that will take place. For them to use that platform to tell me, okay, this is the road, this is the true freedom fighter. Don't be ashamed. Who is bigger than you is bigger than you. Let's be sincere. I get me. These five fingers are not equal. One or two is bigger
Apparently.
than others. I get me. Now, PR is bigger than them. They have put everything starting from day one. Our PR said that I will be your end. You understand me? His words have come to pass. He said that what you don't know is bigger than you, and all these things have come to pass. They not know. They have not asked the question: what is the secret, and what is this man keeping on himself without bringing it to the peoples or without bringing it to the table? That is, say what you don't know is bigger than you. According to our leader, that said that if I tell you how to actualize Biafra, you will spoil it for me. That's why I will not reveal the secret of how to actualize Biafra. Now, our PR have said that what you don't know is bigger than you. I get me. Now, these people, they have find all means to get our PM source of information. They all failed. You know, Sammy, they all failed. They have planted many sources. They all failed. Now, why are they using the propaganda? Because they know that our election is just a week from now, the election to kick. For them to be campaigning, like the video you played yesterday, am I right? A man said that how can we appeal and know that someone have used 2 or 3 email to vote? It's not a business. What the world is after is that how many millions or how many millions of email vote. Even though I can create 50 email, for example, now or 100 email to use it and vote, it's not a business. What you want is that how many vote do you have to actualize? By the way, in the Nigeria election today, they have what they call double print. One politician used to vote 1 million times and don't care. What matter is that do you win the election? Are you getting me? Now, why are they fighting the PM? They don't want to actualize Biafra. I've seen some viewers that say that instead of our PM to be actualized Biafra, it's when they scatter it. Now, this is the strategies of scattering it.
Ikenga and the franchise now. Both of them,
Yeah.
these are the two people that have heard it from them. Their mouths, they said it.
Okay, now this is the strategies of them to scatter it. I get me. This is strategies. Now they want to be making propaganda before the election so that the world will hold him. Like the general election that took place last year, our PS no election, no election. That minute to election, they arrest they interrogate our PM with Finland police, not arrest, interrogation, just withhold him hostage so that the election will take place. Who do that? Is these people that is the means of them to scatter the election, to scatter the plan of our PM for them to start afresh. Like now, the POS now have changed IPOB to grant something this is so that if our leader come out now, we will start afresh again. That is the agenda. They want our PM to start afresh because they have not know that what you don't know is bigger than you. That they have not think about the word that is there's a word that come out from a man that is too heavy. What you do is to go and research or cool down to think about the words that come out for a man mouth. So, okay, it's not that your words is not bigger than you just keep quiet. Go and study the word. What you don't know is bigger than you. Since day one, you use the word. It's time on the words till today. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Now, you say I'll be your end. Look at the Nigerian government. They have put call to Finland. They have called Germany. They have called UK. They have called France just for a PM. They all failed. I get me. That is, I'll be your end. Look at DOS. They are fighting all means to be that to just to withhold PM so that the election will not take place next week. This week, this week, yes. This weekend, not mistakenly. So the election will not take place this week. What is the achievement? Are they happy in the pains going on? For example, now we have seen the videos of what is going on in northern Nigeria. Many people are running out of their ancestral home. Have it in mind, once you run for a terrorist, you cannot come back there again. Have it in mind. Once you run for a terrorist in your home, you can never come there again because before you come there, the terrorists have big ground, have big stand in that land. Are you getting me? Now, they want what is happening in the north to happen in the east. They don't think before taking action or before doing something. The issue is that I will just say that Lake Ikenga, if you want to be a politician, we will not against it. Are you getting me? Let him focus and face his politician. Like, for example, Ike Komad, look at where he land him. Our,
There's,
our leader said that
the,
serve the zoo
continue what
and
you're
come back
saying.
in shame. Our leaders that serve the zoo and come back in shame. Now Ikenga have not learned from the past. What is the past? Look at Zeke. Imagine now Tafawa Balewa children are in politics of Nigeria, but Zeke, none of the children is in politics of Anambra, status of Nigeria. It's not a shame, it's a shame. Look at now, Ike Kumad now is in detention, it's in prison, not detention, prison in America. It's not a big shame. I get me. This thing now with the freedom of Biafra, all these people will come out from prison automatically. They will come out both everywhere in the world. You come out automatically. Why is Ken now fighting against his own freedom? Is he happy being in South Africa? The crisis that's going on in South Africa, their target is Igbos or Biafrans. That's their target is South Africa. But once you have a government that work in your own land, nobody, you will not be a target to anybody in any place in the world. Have it in mind. No matter the crisis of Israel now today now, if Israel citizens in any place in the world now, you cannot challenge him. If you challenge, the government will come for you. I get me. What is their mission? Is it when they draw up backward again, they will know that they have support Biafrans, will start afresh? You understand me? Who want to be a politician is free to be a politician. Accepted for that. I get me. But we that want the freedom, let us go for our freedom. You can't get away with it's not a freedom fighter at all. Biafra child, the mission there is just to put confusion. He don't know his left hand left from right. That's why I say Anambra people. When I use the word, so to use this word. Anambra people they have money, but they don't have educated. They are not educated to know what to call how to manage their source. I get me. Now, Biafra child. You used to go on and went to Imo State and announced fake news that happened in Imo State on Gentle's head. Am I right? But the things
Yeah.
going on in his hometown, his backyard, in his village, every day, Uli. Biafra is from Uli. Go and study the history of Uli every day. They are born in Uli. I get me. Have you ever seen Biafra announce anything that happened in Uli? No, he will not announce anything that's happening in Uli because he's benefiting from it. He's benefiting for that thing that's going on in Uli. I get me. Why is he announcing the one that's going on in Imo State? Is it only Gentle that's from Imo State, or is it only Gentle that is a Biafra a liberation fighter? I get me. The issue is that these people are not a freedom fighter. I thank God that our PA have the mind to push it them and move on. I get me. Have push it them and move on. They're just wasting their time. They don't know the meaning of freedom. They never know anything about freedom. They need to study the word called freedom. First of all, if you are fighting for a word now, ask yourself, what am I fighting for? What is my aim? What is my goal? What is my target? What is my mission? You cannot just see a war and start fighting war. It's not done like that. You understand me? I remember back then that I'm in school. Some are in court, some are not in court. Some people is their court group find trouble. They kind of and start fighting. They don't know what caused the fight. Are you getting me? Now you are fighting for freedom. I say, what am I fighting for freedom? That is the main thing. What am I fighting for? I'm fighting for freedom to be comfortable. There you based in America. I'm fighting for freedom to be like my place to be like American. You understand me? They don't know these people. They don't know anything about the world of freedom. They don't know anything about it. I just pity them because I pity their followers. I
But
not pity them. I pity their followers.
you
Really.
somehow you don't blame them in what they are doing at the moment because they are man of their words. They said that if Samanekpa is going to will bring Biafra, that let everything scatter. So they are trying to scatter it because they know that Biafra is coming. So it is very very obvious. Ikenga said it that he instead of Samanekpa to bring Biafra, let everything scatter. You understand? That's what he said. And for everything to scatter, then he now moves to a way where he thinks that he can scatter things. But unfortunately, people who is there already and they are more stronger than him, they couldn't scatter it. So they are now he's now doing something to make sure that he scatter it the way he claimed that he would do that it would be. But man is not God now. So let's see. Uh, that franchise, who is confused. You understand? He's confused. Before now, he said that a lot of things he has said that doesn't hold anything. You know, when Nnamdi Kanu went to court last time, 2 days before that court, he posted on his Twitter that if you know what is good for you, release him. Otherwise, everywhere will be burning. Everywhere, everywhere will be burning. And somehow these people don't know that people that you are talking to knows what you can do and what you cannot do. You understand? Just like this ESN, they say that they form now they call their DOS ESN. You cannot see Biafran army bother themselves about them because they know the motive of that group. You understand? They cannot be worried about them because they know the activities, they know what they can do. So when it comes to BLA, Biafran Liberation Army, the security agency of Nigeria knows. They know. And in history of Nigeria, there have never been a time where army chief went to Senate to complain any group, even Niger Delta, to the National Assembly to complain about them. Never. And why is it now? Why is it now that something happened? So we all need to understand. We are all human beings. Even like I said, if you don't like anybody, if you don't like someone, you don't like the federal government in Ezra, you don't need to pick a fight to someone whom you don't like. You understand? You don't need to pick a fight. You must not fight for everything. Sometimes you just fight low and see how things unfold. At the end of it all, you may be more. That may be more beneficiary to you than anybody or than you can think. So that is very very common. Okay, my brother, I think we have logged out. Anyway, we are not going to stress the video anymore because it is 1 hour already. We are here for 1 hour, and it is 2 minutes after. 2 minutes on top of the hour. So I need to call it a day. Thank you all for coming. Thank you for your time to join me in this live. I really appreciate. Tomorrow will be live as well. Yes, I noticed that your network is the problem, my brother. I noticed it's network because you just disappear all of a sudden, and there's no problem. We will be live tomorrow, hopefully on time. But if I did not come on time, maybe by this hour. Thank you. Bye bye.